The moment you discover that Rolex isn't the pinnacle of watchmaking changes everything. Suddenly you see better movements, superior finishing, and genuine innovation that Swiss marketing has hidden from you. Smart collectors are waking up to the reality that Rolex charges premiums for brand prestige, while other manufacturers deliver objectively superior watchmaking at comparable or lower prices without artificial scarcity. We're talking spring drive technology that Rolex cannot replicate, finishing quality exceeding crown standards, and complications that make Rolex movements look primitive. Today, we're revealing the 10 watches that enlightened collectors buy after realizing Rolex represents marketing triumph rather than horological supremacy. Number 10. Tudor Black Bay 58. The Tudor Black Bay 58 becomes the first purchase at $3,800 after realizing you can get Rolex-adjacent quality without the games. This vintage-inspired dive watch features manufacturer-caliber MT542 with 70-hour power reserve and Kioski chronometer certification matching Submariner specifications. The 39mm case with slim profile wears more comfortably than Submariner's bulkier construction during extended daily wear. The gilt dial and snowflake hands create distinctive Tudor identity while maintaining dive watch legibility and professional specifications. What makes this the Enlightenment watch is Tudor delivering comparable quality with manufacture movement at 40% of Submariner pricing. The 200-meter water resistance matches professional diving standards, while the silicone hairspring provides technical advantages over traditional construction. The immediate availability without waitlists respects customers unlike Rolex's years-long allocation games exploiting desperate buyers paying above retail. Number 9. Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra 150 mAh. The Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra becomes the obvious choice at $6,100 after understanding coaxial technology surpasses Rolex movements. This versatile timepiece features coaxial master chronometer movement achieving 15,000 Gauss magnetic resistance that Rolex cannot approach. The vertical teak dial pattern creates sophisticated visual texture that Datejust's simpler dials cannot replicate for interest. The transparent caseback reveals beautifully decorated coaxial movement, creating appreciation that Datejust's solid caseback denies. What makes collectors switch is Omega delivering objectively superior anti-magnetic technology with better specifications at lower pricing. The Master Chronometer certification by Metis represents Swiss industry's highest standards, exceeding COSC chronometer certification alone. The 150-meter water resistance exceeds Datejust specifications, while the overall finishing quality rivals Rolex execution throughout case and bracelet. Number 8. Zenith Chronomaster Sport. The Zenith Chronomaster Sport awakens collectors at $9,900 to high-frequency movements that Rolex Daytona cannot match for performance. This technological chronograph features El Primero movement running at 36,000 vibrations per hour, providing superior accuracy potential. The 1/10th second chronograph precision demonstrates El Primero's capabilities that standard chronographs cannot replicate for timing. The transparent caseback reveals stunning El Primero movement, creating appreciation for horological excellence that Daytona denies. What makes this enlightening is Zenith delivering superior chronograph movement with better specifications at comparable pricing. The integrated bracelet design creates contemporary aesthetics, while the ceramic bezel provides scratch resistance throughout ownership. The immediate availability respects customers unlike Daytona's artificial scarcity forcing gray market premiums and dealer allocation games. Number 7. Longines Spirit Zulu Time GMT. The Longines Spirit Zulu Time opens eyes at $3,200 by delivering superior GMT specifications at 1/3 GMT Master the 2 pricing. This aviation timepiece features true GMT movement with jumping hour hand and 72-hour power reserve, providing better specifications. The COSC chronometer certification verifies accuracy that GMT Master includes, but Longines delivers at significantly lower pricing. The silicone hairspring provides anti-magnetic properties and technical advantages that traditional GMT Master movements lack entirely. What awakens collectors is Longines delivering objectively better GMT specifications with authentic aviation heritage at accessible pricing. The bidirectional rotating bezel provides additional functionality that GMT Master's unidirectional bezel cannot replicate for versatility. The immediate availability without authorized dealer games respects customers unlike Rolex's systematic artificial scarcity exploiting buyers. Number 6. Omega Speedmaster Professional. The Omega Speedmaster Professional becomes essential at $6,800 after understanding NASA qualifications surpasses Rolex's marketing claims completely. This legendary chronograph features manual wind movement with proven reliability through actual space missions and lunar landings. The Hezolite crystal provides authentic vintage charm, while the overall design maintains iconic aesthetics unchanged for decades. The transparent caseback option reveals the manual wind chronograph movement, creating appreciation for mechanical excellence throughout. What makes this the Enlightenment purchase is Speedmaster delivering genuine space heritage rather than Rolex's fictional narratives. The manual wind movement requires daily interaction, creating traditional watchmaking engagement that automatic movements eliminate from ownership. The immediate availability and honest pricing respect customers, unlike Daytona's artificial scarcity and gray market premiums. Number 5. Grand Seiko Heritage SBGH 281. The Grand Seiko Heritage SBGH 281 opens collectors' eyes at $5,800 by delivering high-beat movement with superior finishing. This Japanese masterpiece features high-beat 36,000 movement, achieving 28,800 vibrations per hour, providing smoother second sweep than Rolex. The Zaratsu polishing creates distortion-free mirror surfaces that honestly rival or exceed Rolex Datejust, finishing throughout case. The titanium construction provides lightweight comfort while maintaining scratch resistance that steel Datejust cannot match throughout wear. What makes this revelatory is Grand Seiko delivering objectively superior movement technology with better finishing at lower pricing. The power reserve indicator provides practical information, while the exhibition caseback reveals beautifully decorated high-beat movement. The immediate availability without waitlists demonstrates Grand Seiko respects customers, unlike Rolex's allocation games weaponizing scarcity. Number 4. Grand Seiko Elegance SBGM 2221 GMT. The Grand Seiko Elegance SBGM 2221 GMT demonstrates at $5,200 that superior GMT watchmaking exists beyond Rolex entirely. This refined timepiece features true GMT movement with independent hour hand adjustment, providing genuine travel functionality. The Zaratsu polishing throughout case creates distortion-free mirror surfaces that honestly exceed GMT Master 2 finishing standards. The textured dial demonstrates Japanese artisanal craftsmanship that Rolex's simpler dials cannot replicate for visual sophistication. What enlightens collectors is Grand Seiko delivering objectively superior finishing with comparable GMT functionality at half pricing. The exhibition caseback reveals beautifully decorated GMT movement, creating appreciation that GMT Master's solid caseback denies. The immediate availability respects customers, unlike GMT Master's years-long waitlists and gray market premiums exploiting desperate buyers. Number 3. Grand Seiko Sport SBGE 285 GMT Spring Drive. The Grand Seiko Sport SBGE 285 GMT reveals at $7,200 that spring drive technology surpasses anything Rolex produces. This technological masterpiece features spring drive, achieving 1 second per day accuracy with perfectly gliding seconds hand that mechanical GMT Master cannot approach. The titanium construction with Zaratsu polishing provides lightweight comfort with mirror surfaces honestly exceeding GMT Master the sound steel finishing. The GMT functionality with 24-hour hand provides travel capability, while spring drive ensures superior accuracy throughout ownership. What completely awakens collectors is spring drive representing technology that Rolex fundamentally cannot replicate at any price. The exhibition caseback reveals stunning spring drive movement, creating appreciation for genuine horological innovation throughout. The immediate availability demonstrates Grand Seiko respects customers, unlike Rolex's systematic artificial scarcity, exploiting enthusiastic buyers. Number 2. Grand Seiko SBGA 43 Shunbun. The Grand Seiko SBGA 43 Shunbun demonstrates at $6,800 that Japanese watchmaking surpasses Rolex in every meaningful way. This masterpiece features spring drive, achieving 1 second per day accuracy that Datejust and Day-Date cannot approach through regulation. The pink dial, inspired by Japanese cherry blossoms, creates stunning artisanal craftsmanship that Rolex's conservative dials cannot replicate. The Zaratsu polishing throughout titanium case creates distortion-free mirror surfaces honestly exceeding Day-Date precious metal finishing. What completely enlightens collectors is Shunbun delivering revolutionary technology with superior finishing at fraction of Day-Date pricing. The exhibition caseback reveals stunning spring drive movement, creating appreciation that Rolex's solid casebacks deny. The immediate availability and honest pricing respect customers, unlike Rolex's waitlists and premiums exploiting buyers. Number 1. Grand Seiko SLG-H05 White Birch. The Grand Seiko SLG-H05 White Birch absolutely destroys Rolex illusions at $9,800 by delivering revolutionary movement with unprecedented finishing. This next-generation masterpiece features new 9SA5 high-beat movement, achieving 80-hour power reserve through dual-impulse escapement innovation. The textured dial inspired by Japanese white birch forests creates stunning three-dimensional pattern that Rolex cannot replicate. The Zaratsu polishing throughout case creates distortion-free mirror surfaces that honestly exceed Rolex finishing across their entire lineup. What completely shatters Rolex mythology is white birch delivering objectively superior movement technology with better finishing at lower prices. The exhibition case back reveals stunning movement with hand beveling and Zaratsu polishing that makes Rolex's hidden movements wasteful. The 100-meter water resistance exceeds dress watch requirements, while immediate availability respects customers, unlike Rolex's systematic scarcity. The power reserve indicator provides practical information, while overall execution demonstrates Japanese attention to detail surpassing Swiss standards. What makes this number 1 is white birch, proving definitively that Japanese haute horology surpasses Swiss luxury through innovation.